3.5mm audio jack. In this video, we will show you how to solder an audio jack onto the PCB. Using the instruction manual, identify the correct component that you need to solder. Carefully remove the components from the packaging, making sure you haven't left any in the bag. The audio jacks come with a washer and a nut. Keep these attached to the thread to make sure you don't lose them. Starting with one component, identify the correct location on the PCB using the manual and the PCB markings to help. Ensure that the orientation is correct with the jack facing outwards. With this component, you should not bend the legs. It is often easier to solder them one at a time. Holding it in place, turn the board over, ensuring that the component is flat. If this is tricky, you can also use blue tack. Next, solder the legs to the board. Use the soldering video for more information if you need more help. Turn the board over and check that it is still flat. Repeat this process until the rest of your audio jacks are in place.